Ladies and gentlemen, Vivo X100 is here, and I know the price. 1,147 euros. That's the inexpensive version. And if you are more expensive, that's what you got. All the way to 1,437. Of course, you can change the currency for whatever you like. Link in the description for you. An additional discount code for you to get a better price. Basically, a free shipping. Well, like I said, no additional cost, free shipping with my discount code. Well, almost free shipping, like 90% is off. So, great success, my dear friendo. Let's see what it has. Because we did have the regular Pro version on the channel, and it was great. These images that shake people's hearts. These 200 million Oppo super telephone. Remember that this is translated from Chinese, so that's it could be some Google translation. Strong signal, always on. That's great. Super battery life. Damn, it has even more cameras. Sun circle cloud. Oh, wow. Okay. Some huge statements, my dear friend. It looks nice. There's a titanium version, bay version, that's white, and space, which is gray. I like the gray one. Titanium is also cool, and gray and titanium, damn, it's getting better and better. The flagship image is far more shocking than expected. It looks nice. Ultra. Wait, it still has a free. The 4 one is just a square with a sign on it. What? Freeze the scene. So what's the difference? That is the question. Okay, we do have 1. Oh, all right. 200 million pixels. f2.6. That's not too much. It's not too bright. Okay. LYT 900. Okay, that's the same camera which you can find in Oppo X7 Ultra, which is a little bit less expensive. So probably be the same. Probably. That's ultra low density, ultra wide camera. Explore distance possible. Okay. That's the telephoto. Do remember then Oppo has 2 telephoto lenses. 2 periscope lenses. This one I think is only 1, so that's the difference. Okay. There's a lot here about the camera itself. I think they're concentrating on the camera mostly. That's what else? Unable to use photographer. Oop. Well, really? It will look like that? Nice. That's different than in X mode. Probably just the software. Shutter selector. Wow. Alex. No, oh, whoops. Sorry for that. But that's the side. That's not me. That's the side. You can see it is translated, so it's not exactly in the frame. So sorry for that. Okay, let's move on. Okay, moving more about the camera. Touching movie level video pop up on the screen. All right, so nice. She's really nice. All right, let's continue. Performance. We have 3000 nits, 517 ppi. That is really high. 2K screen. E7 luminance, whatever that means, white color. Wow. Zeiss and Dolby Vision. Strong signal, always online. A lot of antennas, my dear amigo. Only 1 periscope. I think that, yeah, that's the main periscope, you see. Like I said, Oppo has 2 of them. Super strong battery life, 5500. That's quite a lot. DDR5, of course, latest and greatest, my amigo. Latest and greatest. Strong signal, What's that? Studio grade high performance audio. Nice. Super strong, awesome everywhere. So strong signal, like I said. And that's what we got. Okay, let's hit Trading Shenzhen and let's see what's the difference between the regular version, I mean the Pro and Ultra. We can, I think we can compare it. Can we compare it? Yeah, just hit there and hit there, and then we can proceed to compare. So what's the difference? On the left, we have the new GPU, so new graphics card. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 instead of MediaTek. Same memory. More pixels in the front-facing camera, but darker. The different sensor, the newer sensor on the back. Leeway T900. It's the same like in the Oppo, like I said. Same brightness. 200 megapixel telephoto, optical zoom, and also Leeway T900 for the wide angle. Wow! So there are two of them. That's good. It's really good. A little bit more battery. Ultrasonic fingerprint sensors. We do have B20, so the 4G and 5G will work in Europe. Do remember, that is awesome. Fantastic. Band 20, like you can see, yes. Okay, languages. There's no exact info how many languages do we have. We do have German, English, Chinese, Espanol, French, and so on. Google Play Store pre-installed, charging port USB Type-C, metal glass. All right. So, it's not available yet, but will be soon. We can choose a different color, but the price stay the same. I think gray and titanium are most beautiful. White is also okay, but I'll definitely go with the gray or titanium. And I think that's all I got, my dear friend. Do remember that Trading Shenzhen, no additional cost, 1 year warranty, whatever. And the warranty is not in China, it's in Germany, so you don't have to send it back to China. It will be annoying, yeah. Or yeah, just to Germany, so it's convenient, my dear friend. It is convenient. They do have additional discounts for all kinds of stuff, all kinds of chargers, different smartphones, and stuff like that. Just hit deals, and you will have, like I said, many deals. Many. That's all I have. Thanks for watching, and see you next video. Link in the description.